welcome back to our Ash Wednesday cooking. This is Lumberjack Kitchen. The recipe for today, we're going to have some broccoli rice with some country style chicken. Remember, broccoli rice, country style chicken. Please to like and share. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients when I'm using my recipe. Remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Ash Wednesday. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients when I'm using my recipe, right? So I have some leftover chicken from a cooked wine stew chicken. I have some chicken seasoning up leftover. This is a recipe I got nice, man. So I add a little more Maggi season to it and a little egg powder. Remember. So I have some broccoli rice here, right? So see the rice here. So I have my spice them I'm going to use in my recipe. Remember, carefully. See the rice here. I have some string bean, scallion. I have some onion, pepper, Irish. We have a sauce here. We have some ketchup. Otherwise, see the broccoli right here. You can see that the butter, pimento seed. We have some garlic. Otherwise, we have a cock soup. Chocho. See carrot right here. So remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Broccoli, rice. Otherwise, country style chicken. Remember, country style chicken with broccoli rice. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. It's a recipe that's nice and delicious, man. Eatable. Remember to like and share. And piece, I got some crushed garlic stick chicken. I'm going to add a little Maggi all purpose and some egg powder to the chicken. Remember, country style chicken with broccoli rice. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. I'm going to roast the chicken now. Remember, country style chicken, right? That chicken I leave back on the last time I cooked the wine stew chicken. So you know, say season up already, so I'm just add a little more season and some egg powder. The flavor is how me want it. Remember, country style chicken, right? So I go and stay now. So I'm gonna deal with the broccoli rice. Country style chicken. Remember, broccoli rice. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Like. Clean up some string bean, Remember broccoli rice, Yeah, man. Country style chicken, so I clean up the string bean now and thing. I'm starting to cut up my broccoli now, right? Remember, broccoli, rice, country style chicken. I'm going to show you how me prepare my recipe. My recipe is nice, delicious, I tell you. It's nice, I tell you, star. Finger licking, tasteable. Remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Alright, my peeps, you can see the broccoli washed there. So we have some string bean, pimento seed, we have some butter, we have some garlic, we have some ginger. We want to put the ginger in the rice. That means to say, if the rice moldy, the ginger jar with the taste and just get a nice flavor. So remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Some broccoli, string bean, butter, pimento seed, and garlic, and some ginger. Right? Yes, remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Broccoli rice. You can see add some boiling water here boiling. So I add the broccoli and the butter and the things to it. So I add the cock soup, right? Remember, broccoli rice, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. So I'm gonna show you how I prepare my rice, my broccoli rice. So I add the Maggi all purpose to the rice, broccoli rice. Why the reason I put the Maggi in it? Maggi it a different flavor. Delicious, tasteable, finger licking, nice, eatable. So I add some salt. Remember, you have to add the salt to how you like it. Me, I really like my food salt, so I'm gonna put a little salt, can taste my pot. But some people want it salt because them say that nice, but me no, I like it ital. Little salt, little bit. I'm stir my pot now. Remember broccoli rice. Stir my pot. That one go boil for around 20 minutes. Come on, the broccoli to boil right out and the string bean to boil right out. Right? Remember broccoli rice. This recipe a nice Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. So I'm going to add some scallion and pepper to it. Go and boil. Here my peeps, see there? Where broccoli rice look right there. So I'm going to remove the scallion now from the rice. Alright? Because I just know say this flavor of the pot now and thing, eh? So I'm going to remove the scallion. Yeah, I have to wash my rice till it gets clean, you know, because all the trash in it and thing. And to pick out the trash them, I have to wash it. The trash them can float on top. Alright? So the trash them there, you can see the trash them there. So I'm remove all trash from my rice till it get clean. Yes, my people, see how my rice get clean now. Yeah. So I'm remove all dirt and all starch there. Second water that, you know, 5 times wash my rice because I want it trashy and dirty. I have to remove the dirt from the rice, right? Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I'm throw the last water through the strainer. Throw the last water through the strainer, right? Yeah, some more of my rice to drain out the right way. That one drain for about a minute or so like that. Remember broccoli rice, you know, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Remember broccoli rice, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. See there? It's a rice that it's a delicious, eatable. It's a rice that you don't want to meat with. It's a rice that you know. It's a rice that seal make it well spiced and nice. Yeah, tell us that Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a nice like. I'm a mouth I run water and I'm done it. I tell you when it finish. I tell us that it's a recipe a delicious, tasteable, eatable, nice. Remember broccoli rice, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, tell us that. Alright, my piece. I'm gonna turn on fire right down, right? Yeah. I'm gonna turn it right down. So I want my rice to steam. But I'm going to use the pot cover, steam the rice. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack, you know. When I go see how my rice shelly and pretty, remember broccoli rice. Yeah, I go see, I use the pot cover and steam the rice. So remember I'm turn the fire right down, right? Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. I go see how my rice pretty and delicious and look eatable and presentable when it's finished. I go steam right out. And I go steam it right out. Broccoli rice. I go steam right out. So pot cover I go use steam it out, right? Yeah man. That one stays. So I'm turning fire low. So I go steam it right out with the pot cover. Alright, you see? Yeah man. Steam right out. Yeah, steam it out. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack, you know. So rice I go shelly like a shelly, you know. Remember me tell you. Say look, that steam right out. Shelly like a shelly. Pot cover me and steam it in. Hey my people, look on the broccoli rice, me I tell you. Broccoli rice pretty, you know. Remember Jamaican cooking lumber jack, you know. Yeah man, broccoli rice with country style chicken. So these are the finishing product of the rice. Jamaican cooking, like, share. Yeah, my piece. Remember country style chicken, you know, I add some cooking oil to my pot. Make that one hot. See there? Country style. Remember same chicken there? It's the one man, country style. So I add one hot now. Alright, we're going to add some garlic in my oil and some pimento seed, also some ginger. Remember the ginger flavor the pot, you know. I'm going to add some scallion in my oil. So remember, country style chicken. So yeah, welcome back. Remember say Ashwin they cooking, you know. Alright, so you know, so we have some country style chicken and some broccoli rice. Yeah man, Ashwin they cooking and go nice and delicious. Yeah man, I tell you, it's a recipe I love man, delicious, eatable. That no style. Chocho, see? You can see chocho. Irish here, you can see the Irish. So I'm going to wash off my broccoli with some Irish and carrot and string bean. Wash them off with some vinegar. Yeah man, I have to wash off them and prepare them clean. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yes, with onion, eh? Big jumbo onion, yeah man. Remember, country style chicken, remember. Country style chicken. It's a delicious man. Recipe I got nice Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Got some scallion here. So remove all the waste off the scallion. Yeah. Remember country style chicken, you know? Country style chicken. Yeah, Jamaican cooking. Remember, yo, it's a recipe I got delicious man today. But my chicken is well brown, so them brown and pretty. Yeah. Delicious, eatable. The recipe I may tell you start. It's a nice like. Yes, my people can see. It's all of my vegetables I'm going to use in my home style chicken. You can see the onion again. You can see the string bean, carrot, broccoli, Irish, and some garlic and scallion. So remember, country style chicken is all of my vegetables I'm going to use in my recipe. Recipe I got delicious and nice man. Remember, country style chicken. I'm gonna feel about the chicken you know. Yeah man, see? Yeah, country style chicken. Hello, don't watch them burn up there now. Them there make the gravy nice and the food delicious more. Add some scallion, add some onion and garlic. The recipe I got nice man. Remember country style chicken you know. Yeah. So I'm add my string bean and my carrot to it. Right? Yeah man. And stir it well. Broccoli. Country style chicken, remember? Country style chicken, remember? Yeah man. Country style chicken, remember? Country style chicken. So make this go and cook now for about 25 minutes to half an hour, right? Country style chicken, remember? Country style chicken. So the recipe I got nice man, delicious. You man can go and cook right down to gravy. Right down to gravy it go. See the broccoli there? Yeah man, put in the country style chicken. Remember you have some broccoli rice differently. Yeah, so I'm gonna add the broccoli to the pot now, peeps. Never want them mash out, so I don't put them in from first. So, well, everybody cook it differently, but remember, country style chicken with broccoli rice. So, you do a Jamaican cooking, you know, so make this go and simmer up. Yeah, man. My country style chicken. Yeah man, recipe is delicious, no? Yeah, it can go down some more. Alright, eat about 6 more minutes now. Yeah man. Alright, my people, see country style chicken there. Look on it. Delicious, you know? I go down to finish and you know. See gravy I go right down. And see broccoli, remember country style chicken, you know. Delicious, you know. We have some broccoli rice right here. Yeah man, you can see it here. It's a recipe and nice man. Remember Ash Wednesday cooking, you know. Ash Wednesday cooking. You remember the said country style chicken? Look at it now. Delicious, eatable. Yeah man, country style chicken. with broccoli rice. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. The chicken are delicious and nice, man. Ash Wednesday cooking. See gravy? Yeah, man. You can see all of my spice them. Yeah, man. Recipe ready and now, country style. Finish. Country style chicken. Finishing product, man, you know? So the gravy thick up and rich up. Yeah, man. Finishing product. Country style. So you can see broccoli, everything like Irish, carrot, string bean, all of the spice. Man, get your country style. See broccoli right there. Yeah, man. Well, the spice and do that now, alright? Lumberjack recipe ready and now. Yeah, my people, see? Country style chicken done. A big bone left. Me I tell me I sweat, could it? Delicious. It's a recipe and nice, taste ever. I'll play it more and eat right now.